Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to send USDT from Binance to another wallet on computer. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not any mistakes. So all we need is open wallet, for example Trust Wallet, and click receive. Then enter USDT and choose USDT Tether. We get an QR code and a number to receive. Copy the address and then go to Binance. Select assets and click spot. Then search for USDT and select it. Click withdraw. Enter the address and select the Tron network. Then enter the amount and click withdraw. The fee will be 1 USDT. That's all. The USDT has been sent and will be credited to the wallet within 10 minutes. Also watch my other videos about Binance at the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.